The Voyager Mini briefcase display is small in size but big on impact. At 5 pounds and 18 inches high, our VY1 is the perfect display for college expos, job fairs, small group meetings, and face-to-face presentations. The exterior of all Voyager briefcase displays are constructed of a rigid ABS thermoformed plastic. Graphic panels are attached with hook and loop and are quickly and easily updated to meet all your presentation needs. A hook and loop closure ensures that the panels stay closed during transport, keeping your graphics safe and contained. The canvas carrying bags are made of waterproof material. The full side pockets can hold the table cover and header, and there's plenty of room for extra graphics. The canvas bag allows for hands-free carrying of your entire display kit. The Voyager displays are the nation's leading lightweight self-contained tabletop display series. They include a lifetime warranty and are all made in the USA. Voyager. It's an open and shut case.